Hello, welcome back to Sundays with Selma. Today, I'm going to make blueberry chia seed pudding. This is one of the simple and healthiest breakfast items. Let's get started. We need the following ingredients to begin. Chia seeds, 4 tablespoons. Blueberries, half cup. Honey, 1.5 tablespoons. Unsweetened vanilla almond milk, 1 cup. In a cup, combine the almond milk and honey and mix it well. Place the chia seeds in a 12-ounce glass. Then, pour the almond mixture over the top. Mix well to combine. Gently fold in some of the whole blueberries. Lightly crush some of the blueberries and mix into the pudding. Cover with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least an hour before serving. Divide between 2 cups and serve topped with a few blueberries. Our very simple and healthy blueberry chia seed pudding is ready. Let me try this one. It's really good. It's really good. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.